Ever struggle with uneven temperatures at home? Watch how easy it is to install the Airbrick Register Booster Fan. First, turn off your HVAC system and remove your old register cover. Next, fit the Airbrick into the 4 by 10-inch opening and secure it with the provided screws. Now, plug it in and watch the magic happen. With a smart thermostat, you can set it to automatically boost airflow when needed. Use the remote control to adjust settings from anywhere in the room. The 10-speed quiet fans ensure you get optimal airflow without the noise. Adjust the display brightness for any lighting condition and enjoy a perfectly balanced temperature in every room. Upgrade your comfort with Airbrick. It's that simple.